welcome to Jezreel and Jeremy's wedding ceremony. Here in Makasi Full Gospel Church under Faith Island Mission Incorporated, where the memories of togetherness and intimacy starts here. And for this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. So, they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. To start with, may I request everyone to please rise and let us all witness the wedding entourage of Jezreel and Jera Naptayas. The processional is more than just an entrance. Each person who will walk down the aisle represents a part of the couple's story and support system. Ladies and gentlemen, let us honor and witness the processional for the nuptials of Jezreel and Jera to light the path of their marriage. Mr. and Mrs. Jemar and Chemian Romano. This wedding ceremony, Reverend Napoleon Valdez. Let's give him a round of applause, please. He stands as God's representative and guide as the couple make their covenant vows. Now entering the best man, Mr. James Jimena. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the man of this event, the handsome groom, Mr. Jezreel Jimena. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Together with the person behind his life, his parent, Mrs. Evelyn Jimena. At this moment, let us welcome the people who were chosen as second parents, witnesses to this marriage, and counselors to the couple in the years ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the principal sponsors. First, we have Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo and Violeta Cabel. Mr. and Mrs. Carlito and Evelyn Magalso. Mr. and Mrs. Oseas and Elisa Barbon. Miss Eunice Villarosa. Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Maricres Pancho. Mr. and Mrs. Anastasio and Marley Torres. Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo and Marivic Villares. Mr. and Mrs. Enrique and Medam Torres. Mr. and Mrs. Marshall Jr. and Marisa Luquinho. Mr. and Mrs. Lourdes and Mary Jane Baldumar. Mr. and Mrs. Angelito and Maria Fe Uyamorin. Mr. and Mrs. Vicente and Mercy Singh. Mr. and Mrs. Diego and Consolacion Generosa. Mr. and Mrs. Edgar and Nancy Romano. Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto and Isabel Palomar. Mr. and Mrs. Jomar and Joliet Romano. Mr. and Mrs. Sammy and Marjeline Artisan. Mr. and Mrs. Marcelo and Jenna Insoy. Mr. and Mrs. Richard and Arnie Calibo. Mr. and Mrs. Renan and Antera Provinsado. Mr. and Mrs. Manuel and Jesosa Kilmi. Mr. and Mrs. Elena and Waisan Cartalia. Mr. and Mrs. Carlito and Michelle Tano. Mr. and Mrs. Nicolas and Prasita Saldasal. Mr. and Mrs. Edgardo and Tessie Canada. Let's give them a round of applause, please. At this moment, let's welcome the secondary sponsors. To unfold the veil of unity, Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Jana Tagat. The veil symbolizes the couple being clothed together as one under God's protection. To entwine the cord of love, Mr. and Mrs. Vince and Mary Ann Tagat. The cord is laid in a figure 8 symbolizing an unbreakable band. At this moment, let's welcome our beautiful and lovely bridesmaid paired with their respective handsome groomsmen. First, we have Miss Liza May Habel and Mr. Jeffrey Tagat. Miss Sheila May Romano and Mr. Archel Jimena. Miss Lady Jane Baldumar and Mr. Cyrus Cartalia. Jasmine Jimena and Mr. Chang Insoy. Miss Kimberly Singit and Mr. Sophie Paldumar. The Bible Bearer, Terence Alipin. The Bible represents God's Word as the foundation of this marriage. The Ring Bearer, Chris J. Tagat. The rings are endless circle, symbols of eternal love and commitment. The Coin Bearer, Jade Insoy. The coin symbolizes shared wealth, mutual prosperity, and a vow of stewardship. Now entering the Maid of Honor, Miss Liza Lumagbas. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the bride's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Vicente and Roslyn Tagat. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Let's proceed to the little girls who will shower the aisle with flowers. Crystal Joy Tagat, Yasha Jimena, Yodia Villares, and Zaira Tagat. The flowers scattered remind us of the beauty and fragrance of love. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Please turn your attention to the entrance as we welcome the most beautiful, ever gorgeous woman of this event, the soon-to-be Mrs. Jimena. Please help me welcome with your gracious and joyful applause the bride, Miss Jeremy Luquinio Tagat. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
The soul behind this gown, and as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction, even though life is short. We'll share forever in salvation through this life and beyond. We will let his will be done.
Mama ni Giselle kay mo amin na si Chera. Padula siya te.
He knows more than heaven. When I'm feeling weak and sick, he knows with all my heart that it's just within arm's reach. He knows us even
Nalimot siya. sa mama.
We have different
Ingat si Shera nga mo amin sa mama.
Us back in the lane.
Dapat seminary lang.
Take care of. He knows that we can steal them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is he knows that we follow his direction, even though life is
To open our ceremony and to usher into the presence of the Lord, please remain standing for the opening song to be led us by the beautiful bride, and to be followed by the opening prayer to be led us by Pastora Marieta Agpulto. But before that, ato sang paminahon ang pulong sa Ginoo may igsoon, makita sa unang Korinto, Kapitulo 13, unong adto sa 7. Naging unang pulong sa Dios, mahimo nga makasulti ako sa pinulungan sa mga tao ug bisan sa mga anghel. Apan kung wala ako'y gugma, samara ako sa saba nga agong ug sa piyang-piyang nga nagtaginting. Dos, bisag may hiyas pa ako sa pagpadayag sa langitnong mensahe, makabaton sa tanang kahibalo ug makasabot sa tanang tinago, bisag may pagtuo ako nga makapabalhin sa mga bukid, apan kung wala ako'y gugma, wala ako'y kapuslanan. Tres, bisag ipanghatag ko pa ang tanan nga ania kanako, ug ipasunog ang akong lawas, apan kung wala ako'y gugma, wala kini kapuslanan. 4. Ang gugma mapailobon ug maluluyon, dili kini masinahon o tigpaghambog. 5. Ang gugma dili mapahitason o bastos. Ang gugma dili mamugos sa kaugalingong kagustuhan. Ang gugma dili masukanon o madinungtanon. 6. Ang gugma dili malipay sa dautan, kundi sa kamatuuran. 7. Ang gugma mopailog, mutuo, mulaong, ug mulahutay gayon.